Good morning students, I am Pankaj Mishra, your maths teacher, here again with a new video on maths class. Students, as you all know, we have already started with this chapter, that is shares and dividend. I have uploaded one video for this chapter. We have solved some of the questions from the exercise. Today also we will be solving some of the questions. So let's start with the questions. Your first question is, a lady holds 1800 rupees 100 share. Just go through this line. A lady holds 1800. This 1800 means the lady is having 1800 share. Rupees 100 share of a company. That is, this is the face value. So what is given in the question? Just write it down. Shares are given. Number of shares are given. That is 1800. Face value of these shares is rupees 100. And the rate of dividend is 15%. What you have to find? First you have to calculate the annual dividend. Annual dividend means the income. So we have got a formula. I have told you to learn the formula. Rate of dividend multiply by number of share multiply by face value of one share. This is the formula. So what is the rate of dividend? 15% into number of share is 1800 multiplied by face value is 100. So this will be 15 8s are 120. This will be 27 27000. So this will be 27,000. So the income from this 1800 share will be 27,000. Now in the second question we have to calculate the percentage return. So for that we want to calculate the investment, and it is also being given in this question that if she had bought these shares at 40% premium, this premium means the market value will be 100 plus 40 premium. If it is written premium we will add, if it is written in discount we will subtract. So this will be 140. So investment will be number of share into market value of one share. So this will be 1800 into 140. So the 1800 multiply by 140, we have to multiply it. So 18 into 14, 112. This will be 14, 15 to 50. This will be 252. And how many 0? 1 2 3 3 times 0. So this will be the investment. Now we have to calculate the percentage return. So for that we have a formula: income upon investment multiply by 100. So this will be equal to investment income is here 27,000 divided by 252,000 into 100. This 222 goes with this 222, and then 2700 by 252. This will be in decimal, so we can 25. 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 3 8s are 23, 3 4 are 12, 3 6 are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. So this will be 300 upon 28, nearly 10.7. Approx 11% will be the percentage return. So this is how you have to solve. Now one more question we will take. Ashok invest rupees 26,400. So this will be the investment. 26,400. Rate percent is 12%. And rupees 25 a share. That means face value is 25. If he received a dividend is 2475. Then find the number of share. We have to find number of share. So there is a formula: investment upon market value of one share. Investment on divided by market value of one share. So we don't have the formula, we don't have the market value, we have a face value, but from this dividend we can get this number of share. So dividend is rate into number of share into face value of 1 share. So dividend is 2475, rate is 12 by 100, number of share, let it be x into face value is 25. This will be when we'll multiply it, 25 4s are 100, 4 3s are 12, this 3 8s are 24 and 2 5. So number of share will be 825. This will be the number of share. Next, market value we have to find. So for this market value, we can write investment upon number of share. So what is the investment, student? 26,400 divided by 825. When we will divide it, 8 3 are 24, 2 16. This will be 32. The number of share will be 32. This question was in board exam also. This was in 2016. So you have to solve these type of questions in which you have to find number of share, market value, percentage return. One more question I will take. Amit Kumar invests rupees 36,000 in buying rupees 100 share. Solution. What is given, student? Investment is 36,000 and what is given? Face value is 100 and it is at a premium. Premium means you have to add 20 in this. So this will be 120. And the dividend rate of dividend percent, that is rate of dividend percent is 15. First you have to find the number of share. So it is investment upon market value of 1 share. So this will be 36,000 divided by 120. This will be 300. Now again second part, percentage yearly dividend. So you have to calculate dividend. So for dividend, rate multiply by number of share multiply by face value of 1 share. So this will be, what is the rate of dividend? Here it is given 15%. So 15% multiply by number of share is your 300 and face value is, what is the face value? 100. So this will be 4,500. Now the last part, that is the percentage return. For this we have a formula, income divided by investment multiply by 100. So what is the income, student? It is 4,500 divided by, what is the investment? 36,000 multiply by 100. So this 20 goes with this 20, ये कट गया यहाँ से, 9 5s are 45, this is 4. So it will be nearly about 12.5%. 12.5%. So this will be the rate of dividend. Okay. Now apart from this, I will take one more example that is totally different from this, but in board exam you will have these type of questions, like you have to find the number of share, yearly dividend, percentage return. One more question I will take. A man invested rupees 45,000 in 15% rupees 100 share. So what is the investment? 45,000. This is your question number 13. Investment is rupees 45,000 and rate of dividend is 15%. What is the face value? Face value is rupees 100. Quoted at rupees 125. Where it is written, जब भी ये दिखेगा आपको quoted, this is your market value. So market value is given as 125. When the market share, when the market value of these share rises to 140. So first find out the share from this, from the given value. So number of share will be investment upon market value of 1 share. This will be equal to 45,000 divided by 125. So this will be 360. Okay. So 360 shares are the person is having right now. Now the next question, now the next condition what is given, when the market value of these shares rises to 140, he sold some shares just enough to raise 8,400. So for this 8400, we have to find the number of share and the price, new price, that is the new market value is 140. So the number of share will be from this 8400 divided by 140. This is equal to 14 6 84, 60. The number of share is 60. So the first question that we have to find, number of share he still holds. So this will be the total share minus the share that he has already sold. So this will be 300. The second part, dividend on this share. So dividend will be on this share only, na? So this will be what was the rate of interest? 15% into 100 into 300. This will be 4500. So this will be the dividend. So student, you have to solve the questions like this. Okay, so try to solve all the questions in the given exercise. Ask you doubt in the group or you can personally text me. Thank you.